you got to play. Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high harassed, I'm a...
Welcome to the Ethereal Dojo. Get your ass in here and I'll teach you some shit.
You want to remain out of body? Affirmations are the way to go.
Welcome to the Ethereal Dojo. Sorry, it's been a couple days since I put one of these up, but I was super busy with work, and then out of nowhere, the entire right side of my face swelled up. I was looking like Quasimodo, but here I am. I'm back. The last one I did of these, I went over some techniques, how you can get into astral projection. Now I'm gonna throw a few things out there, how to stay in astral projection, how to stay in an out of body experience once you're there. So that is probably the toughest thing. A lot of people will either just barely get there and get scared and straight back into their body, or once they're there, they'll struggle to be there. So first, I'm going to harken back to William Buhlman, who will always be my hero in astral projection. He's the one that wrote Adventures Beyond the Body. He also wrote another book called, I think it was Secrets of the Soul, but I only read that one once. Adventures Beyond the Body, I read cover to cover many times. It was like my Bible for years. What you want to do is, once you're out of body, or when you're getting out of body, you want to, in your mind, make statements. When I say statements, I mean like emphasis. Like if you're having trouble with light, which is what I always had trouble with, where you can't see, you want to make a statement in your mind: clarity now, light now. It has to be not a question or request, but a statement. You know, you need this right now. Put emphasis on it. You know, mentally search for like a spirit guide or something like that to help you. Seek energy. It's not going to come on the first time. Again, we're talking like decades and decades worth of practice and things like that. But you want to emphasize like clarity now, light now. You know, and at the same time, you want to keep the vibrations going in the back of your neck. Keep them coming. Like, that's what keeps you out of body. You know, you want to amp your vibrations up as much as possible. And I know you probably don't understand what I'm saying right now by me saying it, but you want to keep that vibrational level as high as you can, because that's, again, what keeps you out of body at the same time. You're basically vibrating on a whole new plane. So you want to stay there. Plus, on the lower vibrational levels, that tends to be where anything malicious comes into play. You're really not in any harm, but you could be scared. And think about this: if you jump out of body and it's nothing but a horrible dark room, you're going to get the shit scared out of you. So you want there to be light. You want everything to be vivid and vibrant and everything like that. So clarity now, light now, emphasize it. Don't request it. Can't request it. It has to be a statement. This is something you need. So try that. Few other techniques. When you're out there, like remember I told you how to do the rollout technique. When you're hitting the floor, you know, try walking on the floor a little bit and touching things. It'll give you it'll emphasize that it's a real and tangible experience. You'll be a little bit less afraid, and it'll let you know subconsciously, like, you're there, you're in the astral. Avoid meeting enemies the first few times. I know you're going to want to meet grandparents or parents or whatever. Avoid that first few times, because number one, conversing with them, it's going to scare the shit out of you a little bit. Number two, it's going to take a little bit more energy to do things like that. That'll come in time. Don't worry, I promise it'll come in time. Avoid asking for that though. Just stick to yourself, stick to you, getting the clarity that you need, the vibrations that you need once you're out there, and just explore, walk through a wall, float over your house or wherever the heck you want to go. But the first few times you want to be selfish with it, honestly. Just go screw around. It's not a big deal. You got the whole rest of your life to astral project and meet whoever you wanted to meet. But like I said, avoid meeting any spirits or guides or anything like that the first few times. Just stick to yourself, float above some clouds or whatever, have some fun. But if you need light, make a statement that you need light. That was always a big one of mine. It was always really dark. If you need more vibrations, if you amp it up, specify, vibrations now, clarity now, things like that. That should get you going.